Bamboo, a plant of intrigue and wonder. Did you know it's one of the fastest growing plants in the world? Some species can grow up to 3 feet in just 24 hours. That's right, 3 feet in a single day. Bamboo isn't just a plant, it's a powerhouse. It releases 35% more oxygen than equivalent stands of trees. Imagine, a single bamboo thicket can do the work of a mini forest. And here's the cherry on top. Bamboo is actually a type of grass. Yes, you've heard it right. It's the largest member of the grass family. So, next time you see a bamboo, remember, it's not just a plant, it's a marvel of nature, growing at lightning speed. Until next time, keep exploring the wonderful world around you.